Okay, so in this episode, we're going to talk about more of the dive deeps on how these agents get built and what happens behind the scene when you use the Oya engineer. So, as you remember, we built these agents using our agent builder, and one of the steps was configuring the agent brain and rule behavior, right? So, what does that mean? Essentially, when you build an agent, the agent needs some prompt to start with, which is the reasoning stage. So, if you come here on system prompt, you will see that this prompt was written in your behalf, right? We write like very sophisticated the prompt that has the grounding rules, the persona, the details, the tool calling, and all that is managed on your behalf. You don't need to learn how to prompt anymore. And these properties gets updated over time, which means if you add a new skill or remove a new skill, it will actually update the system prompt for you. So you don't have to look at that anymore. But we keep it here for you to look at how it actually works underneath that. And it will give you full visibility of what is the actual reasoning and how the agent get to a certain conclusion, right? And the other part is what we call agent brain. The agent brain is the learnings of this agent over time. So in this example, the agent didn't, because this is a brand new agent, it didn't really learn anything just yet. So what you do, for instance, let's come to this guy and say, this is one of the learnings that we're gonna say, my name is Mohammed, and so by doing so, we have a skill which is built in the core called memory skill, which learns these things over time and attach them to your agent, which means this agent, by using this agent more, it will start learning new things from its own execution. So when you come here and go on this agent and see the agent brain, you will see that it learned the new rules and learn preferences and learnings. This is how basically the agents gets better over time, but by using them more, because it will develop some experience on how to achieve a certain mission in a certain way. So yeah, these are like the kind of the internals of how the agent brain and system prompt works, or how it's being managed on your behalf.